Isn't it great? It's got everything we need. Plus, look, it's just like a new car.
Yeah, just like a new car. The sun's ultraviolet rays fade the paint, just like a new car's paint.
Huh? What?
Yep. Insects and bird waste damage the paint, just like a new car. It even dents, just like a new car.
Oh, no.
Even the wheels pit and corrode, just like a new car.
Oh, why are you doing this to me?
Spills and mishaps cause stains, just like a new car.
Whoa, wait a minute. We don't even have girls.
Not yet. Areas in the vehicle can rip or tear, just like a new car.
You're ruining my car.
Even the keys get lost or damaged, just like a new car. The headlights get cloudy, just like a new car. Oh, an acid rain etches the paint, just like a new car. Doesn't it make sense to protect your pre-driven vehicle? After all, it's just like a new car.